Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how we're going to remove the shifter on a Mercedes W203. It's about the same procedure for all of them, different models. Common problem about those is that the clips on the bezel right here, they break, and as you can see there is play, and often you need to replace not only the trim around it that's holding it down, but the leather, because that's what's causing the breaking of the clips, because it shrinks over time. If you don't put lotion on it for leather, it shrinks and it puts too much pressure when you put the gear in park or drive. So what you need to do, if it's already broken, you lift it up, but if not, there is, again, I said 4 clips, one here that's broken, one on each side and one on the front. So now you need to lift up all the way, and right there is a turning thing that you need to turn to the left. It's about 30 degrees right there, and then you just grab the shifter and you pull it out of there. Okay, and now you can just remove the wires if you need to. Right here you just pull them, one on this side and one on this side right here, and this is how you remove the shifter, the whole shifter. Now if you need to replace the leather, you just press down, 4 clips holding it, 2 right here and 2 right there. And now, as you can see, the clip on this one, the front clip, it's still good, but the rear and the side ones are broken and they're not holding at all. So now, another thing, if you want to just replace the shifting knob, you turn this thing all the way to the right and pull. It comes right out of there. And now there is 4 things going in this cap right here. So what you need to do is get a screwdriver, push them in one at a time, a little bit on each side, and work your way around all of them, and then you pull that piece out right there. And now this is the shifting knob, as you can see right there, and this is the leather if you need to replace it right there. So that's how you take it apart, and you just put it back together the same way we took it apart. If you have any questions, let us. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.